Most times when you're having Sunday lunch long time, you wash it down with a Morby. But master mixologist Tyrone Benjamin is here, and he's going to actually do a Morby inspired cocktail. Why just drink a Morby when you could do a Morby cocktail?
Yes, Joe. And Morby pairs well with rum, so we're using a nice dark rum.
Nice. Morby does pair well, that's a fact.
Yes, yes.
I'm thinking about it over the years now, and I don't think I've ever had a Morby cocktail.
Because Morby has that barky, bitter note.
Yes.
Right? And rum, it's aged in oak and wood. So it's a nice marrying of flavors together.
Wow,
yeah.
wow.
Right?
All right, let's go.
So we actually have a nice rum here, single barrel. So we're making for two.
That would be wise.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would want you to have a drink as well with me.
Yes, Joe. I love rum and Morby as a mixture.
You serious?
Yeah.
You had it? You've done it before?
I've tried it before, yeah, with different rums. Actually, it was an experiment to put it on a menu that we've worked on. So what I have here is a beetroot and apple blend.
Beetroot and apple?
Yes.
Wow.
More beetroot than apple.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So for this, I'm just gonna go with a 1 ounce. Oh, and I might mention the beetroot is actually roasted in this. So it's a roasted beetroot.
Hey, then that's up my alley. I love
Yes.
roasted beetroot. But beetroot though, I mean, you've introduced me to beetroots in cocktail. I would have never thought of beetroot or enjoying beetroot juice in a cocktail.
Yeah, I mean, in the world of mixology, we push in the envelope, and as I explained, we're doing culinary cocktails.
Yeah.
You know, could always try. So now we have the Morby, and this Morby is full of spices.
Yeah.
Right? What kind of spice you like with your Morby, Joe?
So I like a little bit of clove. I like to
Clove.
taste a little bit of clove in
Yes,
the back.
yeah.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon, yes.
Cinnamon.
Yes, star anise.
Star anise.
Star anise
Yeah,
is a
yeah,
big
yeah,
one,
yeah,
right? And those are the main ones.
So that's real bark or that's bottle thing you bring there from?
This is the bark, yes.
That's no bottle thing you bring there from?
Nah, I think that's a little too sweet for my liking,
Right,
you know?
okay.
I remember my grandmother used to make Morby.
Yeah.
As you say, we're doing a Sunday lunch.
Yeah.
So you had to look forward to a Morby or a fresh lime juice.
Oh,
You know, fresh lime juice, but Morby, once they do it from the bark.
from the bark.
Yeah, but you gotta put real sugar though. Eh? So, but this one has brown sugar too. That's why it
Nice.
has this kind of hint of brown, right?
Right.
So we go in.
Morby and
And not
beetroot.
yes, but this one I didn't put too much sugar in it, but there's enough sugar to balance the bitterness.
Okay, good.
But so the sweetness to add as we are putting it in a cocktail, I have a demerara syrup, which is a brown sugar syrup, right? So I'm just gonna add 1 ounce of this. And to cut some of the sweetness, we have a little fresh lemon here. I'm gonna add this to the cocktail. And go directly into it.
Really just freshen it up a lemon.
Yeah. Nice. Joe, we adding some ice to this. So I have my ice here, and I'm gonna do a little technique different. I'm gonna swizzle this. So what is swizzling doing? We're mixing all the flavors, and we're chilling the cocktail as well. Just like we do on a Sunday when we swizzle
I
the
know
callaloo.
wait and say that
Yeah.
I go in and put on a little callaloo just now too.
Ah.
So we swizzling cocktails and swizzling callaloo.
Why not? Why not? And I must mention once again, swizzling is a technique developed and formulated in Trinidad
Right
for
in,
cocktails.
Right in Trinidad.
Yeah.
For cocktails, yeah.
And for callaloo too, maybe you never know.
We are the swizzlers. We are the swizzlers of the world.
Yeah. So we pour in here, Joe,
Yeah.
straight over the ice. And to this, I'm just gonna top it with some fresh ginger ale, and the little ginger note gonna add well to the Morby as well.
Yes, ginger and Morby, yeah.
Another nice
Another good
combination.
idea. No.
Yeah?
You put some thought into this one day.
Yeah.
These are real.
All right, so we just put in a little cinnamon stick there. Nice. All right, Joe, here we go.
Our first Sunday lunch selection.
You could just pop your cinnamon right in there.
My cinnamon could act as like a little
As
stirrer.
a stirrer.
I liking
That's
this.
the thing.
I liking this. Say cheers, my brother.
Cheers, brother.
First Sunday lunch selection. Beetroot, Morby, Sunday vibes.
Ginger.
Ginger.
Yeah.
Everything.
I can't wait to taste that color now.
Stick around. Stick around.
Yeah.
Stick around. We're rolling out recipes after this. Sunday lunch vibes.
Wow.
We're saying.
Wow, wow.
We're saying.